Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Do you want to find better trade setups and stop second guessing your entries? Well, in this video, I am just going to be breaking down the best Forex indicators on TradingView that every serious trader should know about. Okay, let's just dive straight in. Forex trading can be tough without the right tools. I believe we can testify to that. But indicators help simplify the market, showing where trends are forming, when momentum is building, and where key levels are breaking. But with thousands of options on TradingView, knowing which ones truly work is key. So that is why I want to show you some of the best Forex indicators on TradingView that can instantly sharpen your decision making. First off, we're going to be looking at the moving average, obviously one of the most popular indicators out there. Okay, so both the EMA and the SMA, all right, it's simple yet powerful. Simple yet powerful. Moving averages help traders identify the trend direction. I'm just going to change the period. The period of the moving average depends on your trading style, or whether you're a scalper, swing trader, or day trader, depending on how long you intend to hold your trades for. So a 50 EMA or a 200 EMA can show whether the market is in an uptrend or downtrend, while a 9 EMA can help with fast entries on pullbacks. Okay, so like I said, the period depends on the length. This is what I'm talking about, the length. The value that you set in here determines how fast the moving average is going to react to price changes. The next indicator we are going to be looking at is the RSI, that's the Relative Strength Index. Okay, this momentum oscillator helps spot overbought and oversold conditions. On TradingView, you can adjust the RSI settings based on your strategy. Okay, the 14 periods is the classic, that's for the RSI length. 14 is the classic, but shorter settings like 7 or 9 can give faster signals. Okay, so it depends on your tolerance for holding trades for long. If you are a scalper, you can work with the 7 or the 9. If you are an intraday trader, you can actually use 14. Even a swing trader can use 14, or you can just up it to maybe 21, depending on your trading style, like I already mentioned. Now, the next indicator we are going to look at is going to be the MACD. The MACD indicator is another popular indicator out there. That's the moving average convergence divergence. It highlights momentum changes and trend reversals. MACD crossovers and divergence signals are crucial for traders looking to catch early moves. Okay, when you notice that the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's a buy signal, it's a bullish signal. Coupled with that, having your green histogram bars above the zero level shows bullish momentum. Likewise, when the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it's a bearish signal, it's a sell signal. And then alongside that, when you have your histogram bars below the zero level, red in color, it shows that there is bearish momentum prevailing in the market at that given point in time. Okay, so the main things you are going to be looking out for are the crossovers between the MACD and the signal line, and also the positioning of the histogram bars with respect to the zero level. Also, check out the volume profile indicator. Check out the volume profile indicator. It shows where most trading volume occurred, highlighting key support and resistance zones. The volume profile can actually help you to find hidden areas where price is likely to react. Okay, so you have to be paying attention to these levels that are marked by the indicator, and in addition to that, you look out for these areas where the volumes were high. Okay, the areas where the volume was high, you pay attention to price reaction around those areas. All right. Finally, one of the most underrated indicators is the super trend indicator. Okay, I'm just going to be adding the super trend indicator to the chart. All right. So now this indicator combines trend direction and volatility in one easy to read tool. Super trend flips color when the trend changes, making it perfect for staying on the right side of the market. When price is trading above the super trend line and the line is green in color, it shows a bullish trend. Okay, and when the price is trading below the super trend line and the line is red in color, it shows a bearish trend. In addition to that, this version of the indicator gives you buy signals and sell signals. So you want to enter a buy trade when the buy signal appears while price is above the line already. You can get your confirmation with candlestick patterns. Okay, and likewise, when you have a sell signal, you look for confirmations with bearish candlestick patterns. Okay, here is a pro tip for you. Instead of relying on just one indicator, combine a few of them for stronger confirmation. You don't have to use all these indicators at once. Your chart is going to be clustered. It's going to be too noisy. Okay, I'm not saying you should combine plenty indicators. You can just pick two, well, or even one, depending on your trading style, but it's good to have confluence. Okay, so you can, for example, you can, add your moving average. Maybe if price is above the 50 EMA, maybe you have RSI below 50, super trend is green. That's a strong bullish confluence. So you want to get confluence for a buy before you enter a buy trade. You want to get confluence for a sell before you enter a sell trade. Okay, layering multiple indicators filters out bad setups and focuses you on the highest probability trades. So if this breakdown of the best Forex indicators on TradingView helps you, make sure to smash that like button right now, subscribe for more trading tutorials and powerful strategies, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another video that could change the way you trade. Thank you for watching. Stay consistent, stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next one.